Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will show how we can run Hello World in Kotlin by IntelliJ IDE. So here is the IntelliJ IDE icon. When you install the IntelliJ IDE, then you will see the IntelliJ IDE icon. Then click the IntelliJ IDE. IntelliJ IDE is opening. At first, we show how to create a new project for Kotlin run. Here is the IntelliJ idea, and here you will see the new create new project. Click the new project. At first, you will see the Java. Then you will see the right side the project directory. The project directory here is the Java SDK version. When you will install the SDK, then you will set part of SDK for SDK Java folder, and here is the our project is Kotlin. So here you click the Kotlin checkbox Kotlin/jvm and click the next button. Here is the project name Kotlin programming, and then click the finish button. Kotlin project is creating in IntelliJ IDEA. Our project is also created. Here is the right side, you will see the project directory. Here is the source. When we will create the Kotlin project, the all file or everything will be added in source file. At first we need to create Kotlin file. Click the source and click the right button, and here is the new, and this Java file, and this is Kotlin file. Click the Kotlin file, and here is the your Kotlin file name. Suppose we want to create the name, suppose as main, or you can say it is index, and click the OK button. If you of course you will set the uh, file type is file, and click the OK button. So our Kotlin file is created. Kotlin file in extension is .kt. Now we will run, and we will write code for run hello world. Suppose one, here is the keyword of Kotlin function. Here is the main function. This main function, this is the mandatory for every Kotlin application. The Kotlin compiler start executing the code from main function. The function takes array of string as a parameter, return unit. Here is the argument array string. This is our main function of Kotlin. This function execute at the starting of Kotlin. Now we can print the hello Kotlin programming. This is the print statement. This print will print the string. Now we will run the hello Kotlin programming and select the run option of the menu bar and click the run button for run. So our Kotlin programming is build running. Here is our hello Kotlin programming. Here is the print also in main function. Here is the hello Kotlin programming. Thank you so much.